For the past couple of days, I've taken about 10 minutes out of each and every day to try this brand new side hustle where I've made about $600 online. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks that I use to do this, and I'm going to show you some insight into the top people that have been doing this. Some people have made up to 6 figures in the past year doing this exact same strategy. So I really wanted to talk about this strategy in today's video because it is really a great side hustle that can easily blow up into a main career. Hence why I thought this would be the perfect topic idea for today's video. As I've been learning from the top people doing this, I've kind of tweaked my own system into place where I found a tool that will actually do a lot of the hard work for you called an AI article and blog writer from this tool over here that you can get completely for free, which I'm going to teach you all about in today's video. So this is why it has only taken me about 10 to 15 minutes every single day, whereas these people are spending hours every single day doing the exact same thing. Take a look at this person over here. They get paid $150 per page that they write on this brand new website. They have gotten so far over 41 reviews on their page. That means a minimum of 41 people have ordered their service, because in order to leave a review, you need to have purchased their product. So if I open up my calculator over here and I go and calculate 150 times 41, which is over $6,150 this person has earned using this exact strategy. So I'm going to introduce to you my tweak system with this that will save you a lot of time as well. If you want to see exactly how to set this up anywhere in the world completely for free, make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you each and every step that you need to take, and it's super important that you don't miss anything. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Quickly before we get started, if you want to get a personal notification from me every time I upload the latest way that I use to make money online, make sure to go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on, so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic, value-packed video just like this one. And today's video, we're going to start off with this website over here called serviceescape.com. I'll zoom in on the screen over here so you can see how to spell that. And this is a new freelance website that has recently come up. Well, it's been around for some time, but what I like about this website, there is not a lot of competition at all compared to something like Fiverr, where a niche like this is just completely oversaturated. So we're going to be using this website to go and write all sorts of different services for different people around the world. So if I come over to writers over here, I want you to take a look at this. If I come over to English, you can go and write banking plans, business plans, customer service pages, management, create presentations for people, write about real estate, sales scripts. If you come over to view all over here, you will be able to view some more different services that this website offers. Now, this website is allowing people to work with them and become a professional in a specific niche. For example, writing, graphic design, translation, editing. So if you're already into any one of these niches, you can use this website to make money. But if you're not, I'm going to show you how to get started with this tool over here that will do a lot of the hard work for you. Here is another excellent example. This person has gotten over 4,947 different reviews. They charge $60 for their service. So if I go and calculate an estimate earnings of what they've earned so far, this is 4,947 times 60, which is over $296,000 earned in their lifetime from this particular service. Now, I'm not saying this is what you're going to earn in your first month or even your first year, but this is what the top people have scaled to. And if you follow what I'm going to show you in today's video, you can definitely scale to this level in a couple of years' time. But in the beginning, you cannot expect to see these sort of returns unless you're really, really lucky and somehow get boosted to the top page. But there's very little competition for this, and you can definitely expect some great side hustle returns from this. So in order to get started with this, you need to go and click on work with us on the top right over here. Go and click on become a professional. You can go and choose what you want to become a professional in, whether that's editing, translation, graphic design, or writing. I'm going to go and click on writing in this case. You need to enter your username, password, your address, your city, your payment method on how you want to get paid. So if you want to get paid via PayPal or check, a short description of yourself, credentials, for example, any references to your writing skills before, which over here you can pretty much just enter the different languages you speak and your expertises over here here. So for example, since we're in writing, you want to go and choose maybe journal or magazine, since we are mostly going to be focusing on articles. So over here under web content as well, you can do reference, science, any one of these over here, because the tool is automatically going to do all of this for you. Once you've signed up and signed in with your professional account, you will be able to go and post your service, which then from there, you need to come over to this tool called writesonic.com. You can come straight over to the website. You can sign up a completely free website. I'll come over to the homepage for you just to go through it with you. Click on start writing for free, enter all of your account information, and it will take you to a dashboard that looks like this. Go and click on AI article and blog writer over here. Go and click on AI article writer 3.0, which is the latest version. And over here, you can go and type any topic that you want to. So very similar to Fiverr.com, when a client or anybody on this website wants to hire you, for example, they'll click on hire me over here. They will give you a whole bunch of instructions, the type of content that they want you to go and write, a title, and any promo codes that they have. Some of them might even have a template script already made for you, which they will then upload and send to you. Once you've got all that information, for example, if they've sent to you a business plan about farming, you can come over to AI article writer over here and you can go and type here farming business plan, click on generate ideas, and it will take you to step number 2, where it's going to ask you to generate an introduction. It will give you 3 titles to go and choose from. For example, how to start a lucrative farming business with little to no capital, farming, how to start a successful farm business from scratch, the ultimate guide to building a farm business from scratch. So I'm going to go and choose this one over here. Go and click on generate introductions or intros. It will then give you 3 different introductions to go and choose from. I recommend just go and read through all 3 of them and choose the one that you think is best. I'm going to go and choose the first one, and from there go and generate outlines, which is pretty much your index page, which is section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And over here, for example, we can go and choose this one, and finally go and click on write an article, and in a couple of seconds this entire tool is going to generate you an entire business plan on deciding your farming niche, knowing your costs and profit margins, being prepared for the hard work, finding the right location, coming up with a market plan, and a conclusion, all in one simple article for you in just a couple of seconds. And take a look at this. This entire plan and article has been completed in just a couple of seconds. Now, the work is very simple from here. You will come over to your client's order and just submit the work to them, which then you will get paid for however much you are charging for your service. To determine a price for yourself, what I recommend is come over to Browse Professionals over here, come over to Writing, come over to English Writers, and then select View All, and you want to go through each and every writer over here. For example, open up this one in a new tab, open up this one in a new tab, and just go and have a look at what they're charging. I've noticed the average is anywhere between $60 and $200 per page. I would come in at about $60. You want to price yourself a little bit lower or even a bit less, maybe $40 per page, because ultimately you want to beat all the competition on the websites and be listed on the top page of servicescape.com. And this is the part where I tweak my system slightly to go even make more money from this. If I come over to YouTube and I go and search up how to write an article, there are tons of videos on YouTube that teach people how to go and write articles. And come over to search filters today, you can take a look at some of the latest videos over here that have just been posted. You can go and create your own videos teaching people how to write articles. The easiest way to do that is to come over to Udemy, go and search up article writing. You will find a whole bunch of different free courses over here. If you click on price and then click on free, there's over 898. Go and watch a couple of these videos over here, recreate them in your own ways on YouTube, and you can then go and leave a link to your service on servicescape.com, offering people to get their articles done for you and written for them, which is a great way to filter a lot of external traffic through YouTube to your gig on servicescape.com. As all of these platforms, Fiverr.com, People Per Hour, Service Escape, any freelance platform will rank you higher up very quickly if you can get a lot of external traffic to your service. In this case, we are using traffic from YouTube by teaching people for free and then offering them in the description or the comments. They can get their their own articles written done for you through this gig over here. Then people from YouTube click on your profile, maybe order your service from there, which is another great way to not only get ad revenue, but also more sales and commissions through your service that you're offering on servicescape.com. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with specifically freelancing work, writing articles, making money online, selling high income skills and services around the world without even doing that work yourself. I'm going to leave an entire program and webinar and playlist on YouTube completely for free. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course or anything like that. All of this is free webinars that I've created on YouTube, including some of them even creating your own landing pages, promoting that online, and getting tons of sales to high income skills that pay thousands of dollars, like coding projects, web development projects, where you don't even need to do that yourself. So what I recommend is, if you want to specialize in this and really learn more in depth about this, go and click on this playlist over here, save it to your watch later, and I'll see you over there.